government is looking forward to use part of this levy to support our young entrepreneurs, right at the district level all the way up. And it would be a game changer. And that is why I believe that with the explanation being offered, Ghanaians would very much appreciate why the introduction of this levy. Then, of course, again, our roads. Every one of us in the Chamber of Parliament, we've been talking about roads, that the deplorable nature of our roads, and today Honorable Samsonai talking about Bodi roads. Obviously, we must have sustainable, dedicated, reliable source of funding. I chair the road fund. As we speak today, what is in the fund that next week we're going to disburse is just around 75 million cedis. What can 75 million do? How many contractors are you going to pay? So the reality is that there are key aspects of the economy that we must look for reliable source of funding so that we can grow the economy.